Hi, this is Tutor P, and this is Word Origins 361. The word origin today is hiccup. Okay, if somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. All right, we got two meanings and two uses. Here's our first one. A spasm of the diaphragm. When a person has hiccups, he or she makes repeated sounds in one's throat. Most often because one has been eating or drinking too quickly. We got our second meaning. A hiccup can also refer to a minor or small problem that slows one down or temporarily delays one. It is basically a minor setback. So it's not usually something that, makes you fail or makes you stop. It's usually a minor or small problem. Let's continue. The origin of the word hiccup is basically an onomatopoeia. It derives directly from the sounds one produces while experiencing a spasm of the diaphragm. So basically, if you're hiccuping, it sounds like hiccup, hiccup, which sounds like the word hiccup, the way it's spelled. Our modern English word dates back to 1788. Before that, it was called an elfsögun, because at one time it was believed hiccups were thought to be caused by elves, and it was the word for elf heartburn. Okay, let's continue. In the early 1600s, it was also sometimes referred to as a hic cough because it was mistakenly thought to be associated with coughs. All right, let's continue. Eventually, the second meaning came about due to the fact that hiccups are usually not a serious medical problem, and there are methods to make them stop. So usually, most people, when they have hiccups, it's usually just for a couple of minutes, and then they can somehow make them stop. All right, and we got 5 examples to show just how it's used. Here's the first one. If you get a case of the hiccups, one is sometimes advised to drink some water to make them stop. All right, now this may or may not stop it, but there are more methods. You probably got the hiccups because you were drinking too fast. Okay. And number 3 here, another method to stop hiccups is to suddenly scare someone. Well, this might work with some people, may not. Let's continue. Number 4, we encountered a few hiccups, but we were able to quickly take care of them. All right, now 4 and 5, of course, hiccup means a problem. And number 5, don't worry, it is not a serious problem. It is just a hiccup. We will have it up and running in about an hour. So this is probably a machine, and the mechanic is probably saying it's just a hiccup. They'll get it fixed soon. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it's clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.